What's the meaning of confirm? Confirm. Confirm.
Confirm. Confirm. Confirm means to establish the truth or validity of something. It is the act of verifying or proving that a statement, belief, or hypothesis is correct or accurate. Confirmation can be achieved by providing evidence, performing experiments, or obtaining additional information. The result of confirmation can lead to increased confidence and trust in the subject being confirmed. It can also provide closure and resolve doubts or uncertainties. Overall, confirmation is an important process in ensuring accuracy and reliability in various fields such as science, business, and law.